Take a ride in the 2017 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.